The Best of Jamaica 2020 Toronto Results Show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Toronto for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
Now we're going to take you into Toronto. Now we're going to start with what is the best local Jamaican patty shop bakery. It is Tinnell's Patties. So congratulations to you there.
Hold on that.
Tinnell's. Go on, teacher. Teacher can't even find a paper.
Yes, I check the work. The Canada, the best.
Check the work. It's Tinnell's.
Go on.
All right, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? And there you have actually two winners. Congratulations to Danforth Market and Dam Foods. So congratulations to both. Danforth Market and Dam Foods. Dam Foods.
Who names a place Damn Food?
Dam Foods. D-A-M. Yep, so congratulations. They provided food though. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant? It's called the Jamaica House Jerk, so congratulations to you there. And then we have the Jamaican Caribbean annual event you missed the most, attending due to COVID-19. And in Toronto, the people say it's Jambana One World Festival. So congratulations to the winners there. Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.